Okay, 3 comma 2, and this is B, and 4 comma 2, this is C, 2 comma 3, and D option is 7 comma 1. Okay, choose the correct option and tell me the reason. Okay,
Okay,
this is function or not function? First see.
it's not a function.
Okay, which order pair should be removed for making the function?
I think uh, 7 1.
No, for what is the definition of function? For definition of function,
For each function has each one input has one specific output.
yes, see here, 7 has one
Yeah,
out.
but here it cannot be because look, one input. Oh, okay.
7 has only one output. Okay, there is no other output for 7. See, check. Or you can understand for one value of x, there are two values of y.
Oh, it's okay.
For one value of x, this is x, okay? These are x.
Yeah.
And for one value of x, there will be two value. Or simple concept for, if you can also make the concept for ordered pair. It is also according to the definition. If there are two first values are repeated, if first two values are repeated, then this will not be function. Okay? In
Okay.
function, first values of ordered pair will not be repeated. See here, which
So it's 3 2 3 2.
yes, 3
8.
2. Yeah, okay, correct. Choose it, choose it. Okay, and see here. And 3 is input. 3 is input. For this input, we get 2 output. But here is also 3, we get 1. So for one input, there are more than one outputs. Okay, this is against
Okay.
the definition of function. Function gives us a unique output, not more than one outputs. Okay,
Yeah.
clear? So you
Yeah.
should
Clear.
make the concepts. This is easy thing. Okay, you make the
Yeah.
concepts. If you feel difficulties, you make the concept when there are ordered pairs are given, then first elements will not be repeated. Okay, first element of
Okay.
ordered pair will not repeated. Here is 3 is and 3 are repeating in order pair, then we remove it. Okay,
Okay.
and come on page number 2. For f of x, you also make the notes. Okay, write all things on your notebook. I also send the PDF file to you for this purpose to make the notes. Okay,
Yeah.
you can also take the print. Okay, if you feel difficulty, take the print and do practice. H. We have given the functions in ordered pair form and also in our first option is f is the only function. F is the only function. Okay,
Okay.
h is the only function. We have given the two functions. Okay, f, g and h. Okay, and h is in ordered pair form, g is also 2, and f of x is in this form, is only function. And see, g and h are the only function, okay. A, B, C. Okay. F and G. F and G. You should decide. Okay. G are the function. Function are the only functions. Okay. And E option is F, G, and H are all are all are all functions. Clear? And
Yes.
tell me, according use the definition. Okay, see this. This is H is function or not function? First, tell me.
It's function
Yes. What is reason? Because
because every input has a unique output.
yes, and you can also say first elements are not repeated. Okay. And
Yeah.
tell me, g of x is function or not function? Value of function or not value of?
Yes. Yes, because if you plot it on a graph, g of x, it will be a vertical line.
Yes.
And then if you do a horizontal, or if you do a vertical line test, it intersects only at one point. So it's,
Yes. Yes.
yes, it is a function.
Yes, for
And
putting any value, this is a constant. For put x is equal to 2. For putting any value of x, then you get a unique output 2. Okay?
yeah,
Then you can tell me this is function or not function first. You
yes,
should.
this is your quadratic
Yes.
polynomial. So yes, it's a function.
Quadratic has a parabolic graph, and parabolic graph, when we draw perpendicular line, then one point line passes through one point. Okay? You can
Yeah,
also
and
check
and it's symmetrical over y-axis.
Yes, yes. You can also check it putting some sample values. Okay. This domain is real number. We can put all real numbers in its domain. Domain contains the set of all real numbers. Then you put the some sample values. You put some sample values. By putting these values, you get the unique output. Okay. Then you say that for all values, for all domain values, we will get the unique values. Okay.
Yeah. So the option is E.
Yes, yes. And you can put these values, then you can get the unique. Clear? This option is
Yeah.
E. Now, good. And now I write what value of value what value s must be excluded from the domain of f of x is equal to x plus 2 upon x minus 2. Okay, I give you option, then you should tell me. Okay,
Okay.
C, and I write D option 2 and minus 2. E option no value. Tell me which one is correct. Yes, yes,
C.
this is good. You
Because
can solve
if
it
you
as yes,
x to not equal to 0,
yes,
and
good.
then not equal to 2.
Yes, we will exclude 2. Okay, good. I write the 4 option here. If f of x 3x square minus 2x plus 4 f of minus 2 minus 4 c minus 2 and d 12 and e 20. Tell me the correct option. Solve it. If you feel difficulty, then
Okay.
solve it.
So 12,
First you write here, okay, equal and
plus
f of minus 2.
4 plus 4. So then it will be equal to 20.
Yes, 20 is option. f of minus 2. Okay, good. If f of g of x, we are discussing about the composition function, okay? 4x square minus 8x and f of x, x square minus 4, then g of x. Can you find the g of x? Wait, I put some values, then you can check, okay, which is g of x. X square, okay, do it. F of g of x, okay, is equal to, we need this, okay, and this is f of x. What will be the value of g of x? Okay, it is very easy, understand, think. Not understanding?
No, I'm thinking.
It is very cracking skills. You can use the cracking skills
Wait.
or also other things.
Wait,
Means
so it's gonna be 4x squared minus 8x equal to x squared minus 4. Yeah?
no, this is f of g of x, okay? This is f of x. This is f of x. You replace this g of x in this value and see, you can get 4x square minus
Oh,
6 or not. These are cracking skills, okay?
okay.
Means you should put this g of x first and see you can get f of g of x or not. You replace x by x square and see you can get 4x square minus 8x or not. And then you replace which option will give you the answer 4x square minus 8x. This will be the true. Okay, do it. Solve here. First you are doing, okay. You write here a of write equal, okay, and write a option. You are putting a option, okay, and write here a as f of 4 minus x whole square, okay, 4x
So
minus not whole square, okay.
it's gonna be 4 minus x, 4 plus x minus 4.
Here, okay. Mm,
Wait,
you cancel out minus 4 plus 4.
wait,
This will be cancel out, okay.
wait, what? I think it's. Wait,
You
what formula?
you solve it and tell me the answer of this.
4 squared minus 2, 4
Yes, a minus b whole square.
minus.
No, there is no need to put minus, okay? There is no minus a. This is the formula is as a minus b whole square. Then we will not put minus here. A square and minus will be here. Minus is for formula, okay? A into b
Okay.
plus b whole square. We will not put the negative values, okay? Okay, good.
So it's gonna be 16 minus 8x plus x squared minus 4. So it's gonna be x squared minus 8x plus 12. And then we're gonna.
See, your f of g of x is this equal to this or not?
No.
And do cross, okay? Do check other option. Right,
So
b.
for b, we replace with.
You can select any option, okay? Random. You are
No,
strong.
it's not b.
Yes, not B.
So let's try C. For C, it will be option C. 2x squared.
You replace x by 2x minus 2. You replace x by,
Oh yeah, yeah.
not do wrong, okay?
2x minus 2 squared minus 4, and that's gonna be 4x squared minus 8x
Okay, good.
plus 4 minus 4, they cancel out. And yeah, we get it. So it's answer C.
Answer C is good, okay. You can, I give you other techniques, okay? And you can use this technique, okay? You can check the options. This is a technique that you can use your SAT math MCQs. Okay, see here. You can see here is x square, here is a 4x square. 4x square is the 4x square is the 2x whole square, okay? Clear?
Yeah.
This means that your g of x contain the 2 of x, okay? This is 4x square, okay? This is x square. We are replacing x by anything which gives us 2x square. Means this you, if you are not understanding, then you should use this technique. This technique is good for you or not good?
Good, good.
Okay, this is good for you. I am saying this here is 2x. 4x square, you get the 4x square by putting this, okay? By putting
Okay.
this. By putting this, you can get 4x square. You cannot get 4x square by putting this A, B, and D. By D, you can get 16x square. By E, you can get only x square, okay? By this, you can
Okay.
get 16 and x square by using the formula. So this is only option that give you 4x square, then this is correct. You can use this technique or also use this technique, okay? This is
Okay.
easy for you, this technique for checking the option. Mm, what value must be excluded? You should do the homework, okay? And after this, after the homework, then I will give you new homework, okay?
Okay.
If you will not do the homework, then how can I get the give you
Yeah,
the?
yeah, I know.
I
I'm
have
sorry.
many practice question of functions. I have many books, okay? Then I can give you more practice questions, okay? And
Yeah.
then these things will increase your skills. If f of x is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 1 and g of x is equal to 3x square minus 3. Uh, so we need the domain of f of g of x, okay? First of all,
Okay.
you should wait. I write the option. First of all, you should find the f of g of f. X. I have given you some formulas, okay, of composition of functions.
Yeah, yeah. I
Addition,
remember.
subtraction, okay, both plus minus 1 e, no values. Okay, do it. Do
So
here.
for
So,
this one, since it's a composition function, we will have 3x squared minus 4x
right here,
plus
right?
1
F
over
of g.
3x squared minus 3.
Yes,
And
good.
then since we need to find the excluded from the domain, we're gonna replace the values for the domain A, B, C, D, and E
Yes,
for
you should
x
see.
value.
You should see. You should solve it. 3x square minus 3.
So it's for sure it is. Wait,
You should find, use the
okay.
method, okay? You can check the
Okay,
value.
so it's okay. I'll check. I'll check.
You can check, but you should find it, okay? First you find.
So
Checking
it's
is
for
also,
sure not zero, because if you replace zero, you'll get one or negative one or three. This is for A, option A. So
no,
it
no.
works.
You say we will, excluded means we will not add the zero. You should tell me those values which gives zero here, means we need to exclude. We means
Yeah,
to,
yeah, yeah. I know, I know. So I'm working step by step each option.
you are checking all options. You say A
Yeah,
is
yeah,
not correct. A is correct or not correct?
yeah. I'm saying that A is correct, but we don't need it. It's not the excluded. It works. So we check another one.
Yes,
So we check B.
it does not give us undefined. If it gives
Yeah, yeah, I
undefined,
know. Undefined is when you have fraction divided by zero. I know.
for checking, you can solve this. It is very easy.
It's
So,
B. It's B because if you replace one, then you'll have 3 minus 3 in the denominator, and then it will be equal to 0.
yes, you should solve it. You should solve it. There is no need to check it. This is
Okay.
incomplete option. This is incomplete, not complete. Okay. You should solve
Okay.
it. Solve here. Solve here. This option is not complete. You should solve it. Our denominator will not be equal to zero. Okay. Then see what happened. Okay. Good.
And then we're gonna do x squared not equal to 1. And then it's gonna be x squared not equal to plus negative 1.
So this is easy method. Choose easy method. Okay. You are using this.
Oh,
This is
yeah.
wrong. Okay. Our option B is not correct. Our option D is correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
No, but anyways, I'll plug every value and I'll get the answer.
Yes, it is good to check every value, but you are limited to this. But you check
Oh, yeah.
also other. Means this is one, but positive and negative both values, because here is positive. Okay, here is square. For positive value and for negative value, both answer is correct. Okay, so it is
Yeah.
good for you to check it. Okay, to put it not equal to zero, not equal to zero, and then you get the value plus minus one. This set will be
Okay.
removed, or minus 1 and minus 1 will be removed. Okay, minus 1 and plus 1. Clear?
Yeah.
Come on, question number 8. If g of x is equal to 3x plus 2, g of f of x is equal to x, then f of 2. Okay, check the option. Which option is good? You can check and you
Okay,
can
so
use them.
we're gonna replace first. So we need here there are two steps. We need to find the f of x, and then after we find f of x, we need to replace 2 in the f of x, right?
Yes, yes, good, good, good.
Okay. So
This is our g
uh,
of x. Okay.
so it's not option 0 because we'll get g of x equals to 2.
Yes, you should see. You should see. See here. See here, understand it. This is g of x, okay? We need to, you should understand the general thing, okay? If I have given the, I give you hint, but you should solve, okay? If
Okay.
I have given, this is f of x, okay? I have given the g of x, I write the different way, okay? 3x plus 1. Then our g of f of x will be, what will be? it will be 3 of f of x plus 1. Okay, this is the formula for composition of function. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Then wait, this is our g of x. This is the formula. What will be the value? This value is given, then you put this value here, and then you solve it, and then you can get the f of x. Okay, this value g of f of x given x. Okay, x will be here, 3 f of x plus 1, then we do x minus 1, 3 f of x. Okay, clear or not clear? Divided by 3. In this way you get the f of x. Okay, I say this is general formula. This is a general formula. You use the g of x and replace f of x, then you get the answer, general answer. Then you put g of f of x equal to x, and then get the value of f of x, and then after this you put f of x, x into 2, replace x by 2. Okay, understanding, not understanding? Hello,
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
you should use other, do it, do here.
Wait, I don't actually understand.
First write
What
g of x. First write g of x.
okay, 3x plus 2.
No, write it as g of x is equal to.
Okay.
Okay. Now replace g of x by f of x. X by f of x. Okay. Replace it.
Yeah, and then we'll get uh,
Here,
f
here.
of
Not put 2. Okay. There is no need to 2. Replace x
okay.
by f of x. Also write here g of. Write here g of. Instead of x, write the. You should. Okay. 3. Okay, this is 3. Okay, what will be here?
It will be gf of x.
Okay, what is the value of g of f of x? This is the value x. Okay, put this value in
Okay.
below. Can you find the f of x by solving now? It is easy or not easy?
So I just replace now?
No, no. Then this is x. That as you find the variable x, y, and then now find the f of x. Okay, this is positive
Okay.
2. Remove this positive 2. How can you do? Okay, good. Okay, then do here.
So it's x minus 2 over 3.
Okay, write it. Write it. Right here. Write it.
So
And what will be the f of 2 value? We need f of 2. We need f of 2. Okay, f of x is given. Not now you get the f of x. Your f of x. This is f of x, not g of f of x. Okay,
oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
we need
X
f of.
minus 2 over 3. So then 2 minus 2 is 0 and 0 over 3 is 0.
Put the value first. So show the step f of 2 is equal to 0. Then you can write. Okay, 2 minus 2, 0 upon 3, 0. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
You should make the concept by when composition of function value is given, then we can find the function. Okay,
Okay.
correct the option, make notebook and write all questions on your notebook. Okay, and
Okay.
do practice every time when you are free. Choose the option, correct option.
Oh, 0.
Yes, when I gave you next time these types of questions, then you should not make mistake. If p of x is equal to 4x minus 6 and p of a is equal to 0, then find the value of A. Okay, solve it. Your P of A value is given, okay?
Okay.
Then your P of X is given. First, what will you do? Understand, think over it. P of A is given. Value of P of A is given. We need to find the A value. It is not clear.
No.
It is easy. Your value, this value is given equal to 0, okay? Then
Okay.
first you should find P of A. Can you find the P of A?
Okay. By replacing with 0.
Yes. Good, good. P of X is given. Then replace and put the value. Not put 0. Replace A. We need P of A, not P of 0. We need P of A.
Oh, okay.
We have given the P of A. You find first P of A and its value is equal to 0, then solve the equation. It will become equation. When there is 0, then you are again doing wrong. First write wait. You're again we not need the composition. Write here P of X. First write here P of X. P of X is equal to 4x minus 6. And it is simple. Replace A, X by A. Okay? Replace X by A and then you will get the P of A. Okay? Replace value. You should not put 0 first. Not put 0. You should replace the value like this. I am saying first find the P of A. You cannot find the P of A. P of A by
How?
replacing X by A. First do it. After this, you should put the value. First do it. We need to find the P of A. Okay? Okay. Okay, right here. P of A is equal to, right here.
Okay.
Here, write P of A. And now see the value and put equal to 0. See this value. P of A is equal to 0 and put here. Okay? Then you are again doing mistake. Wait. Understand it. Put the value in one side. What is the value of this? Put here 0 only. Clear?
Oh, okay.
I say put the first find the P of A and then put the value and then solve the equation. You can get the A value. Clear or not clear? This is P of A is given. This is P of X. Replace X by A. And after this, you put P of A is equal to 0 and then do it. Simplify it, okay? Which option is
So
good?
it's C.
3 upon 2. Okay. C. This is question number 10. If f of x is equal to e raised power x and g of x equal to sine of x, then find the value of f of g is. Can you find the value? Solve it, okay? F of g. First, what will you do? This is composition of functions, okay?
Yes, it's gonna be f g equals to
F of g of x, okay? First find it.
e sine x.
Yes, good, good.
So
Now,
then we're gonna replace x with the radical 2.
then write right here, show all steps, f of g and under root x. Okay, good. Okay, solve it. You can use the calculator, okay?
Yeah. So it's 1.02.
1.02. Here is it, option 10. It sine under root 2 and we make the first 1.02 is good option, but in this here is mistake, okay?
Okay.
Your next option is 1.02, okay? Then you should choose this option, okay? Good. 0.02, and then I write the question number 11 here. If you should use the replacing method, okay, for inverse. Replace x by y and y by x, okay? 2x minus 3, the inverse of f and f inverse could be represented by represented by f inverse of x is equal to 3x minus 2, and then I write b is equal to f inverse of x is equal to 1 upon 2x minus 3. I give the option C, f inverse x is equal to x minus 2 upon 3. F inverse x is equal to x plus 2 upon 3. F inverse x plus 3 upon 2. Yes, right. Replace. Okay, okay. You have replaced. Place x by y and y by x. Okay, clear? Which option? Choose the correct option. Okay. In this method, we replace x and y, and new y we gives us the value of inverse function. Okay, it is easy for you.
Yeah.
Question number 12. If f of x is equal to x, the inverse of f and f inverse would be represented by, it is also easy. Okay, inverse
Okay.
of f f inverse x is equal to x. Okay, and you should find it. Okay, x is equal to 1, t is equal to f inverse x is equal to 1 by x, and d option is f inverse x is equal to y. Okay, and e option f inverse does not exist. Does not exist. Okay. Okay, which is f inverse? Yes, this new y. Replace x and y. Then this is we cannot change. Okay, and this is same.
Wait. Yeah, I made a mistake.
No, no, x. Okay, good.
X.
X. Okay, good. Right, x. Okay, good. This choose the
Yes.
option. Choose the
So
option.
option A.
Option A is good. Okay, because we replace here y is equal to x. Then after replacing y
Yeah.
by x and x by y, this we get the same. So inverse, both functions are correct. Okay, means its inverse is same. Inverse of f of x is also x. Okay, I write 13 question. The inverse of function. When ordered pair is given, then for inverse we replace 2 comes first and 1 comes here. Okay, for f inverse
Okay.
to change all order pair means replace x by y. Meaning of this is 2 to 1 and 1 to 2. Okay, meaning for all types of question, concept is same. Okay, concept is
Okay.
same, but it forms first for different functions have different forms. Okay. Then would be first you find its inverse. Okay, find the inverse here. Would be, I write the next. Okay, then you should first find the inverse. There is need of inverse of this. Okay, f inverse
Okay.
would be a function. I write the option and sentence, then you should first find the function inverse. Okay, would be a function if the domain of f is limited to 2, 1, 3, and 5. First check it that f inverse is function or not function with this domain. Okay, right here f
Okay.
inverse, right here f inverse, and put the bracket. Okay, okay,
Or
good.
I can just do a graph.
Okay, do it, do it.
Okay. So 2, then 3, 2, Um, then 4, 3 brackets 1, 4, 1, 4, and 2, 5, and then it is not a function because we have
Okay,
uh,
see
5
that.
because 2 has uh, two outputs, 1 and 5, and this cannot happen. So
Okay.
for the options,
Tell me the what will be the domain of a function, this function, so that we get the inverse of function as the function. Inverse of function will be function. And tell me the domain for which domain we get the inverse of function will be function. Okay.
yeah. So it will be for
2 is coming repeating. 2 is repeated. Okay. 2
okay.
is
So it's option B.
option B is correct. Okay, one. You say we do 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, and if we take these, the meaning of limited to domain, meaning that if our domain is 1, then we get this, and this only. Okay, and then
Mm-hmm.
this will, if we are not taking 5 the domain, then it will be removed. Okay, and our if we have this function, then inverse of this 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, and 1, 4, it is function. Okay, clear? B is good.
But
Okay,
inverse is not a function.
this is function. Inverse is
Yeah,
function.
but inverse is not a function.
It is not function, but if you take the domain as 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, if you take the
Okay.
domain 1, 2, 3, limited the domain, then check these intervals. Okay, these intervals. Now check these intervals, f inverse for these intervals. What is the f inverse? Check. Find the f inverse for these intervals. As we are limiting the domain. Okay,
I don't understand.
I say when we take the complete function f, we take the domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we
Okay.
add 5 order pair, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, and 5, 2, because we are taking the domain from 1 to 5. But the question arises that what will be the domain, what will be the limitation of domain. We want to limit the domain in order to get the inverse of function will be the function. Okay, if we take the
Oh,
domain,
so it's like what do we have to remove for it to be a function?
yes, if 5 will
Okay.
be, we are not taking 5, then 5, this means that this order pair is removed. Okay, when we are limiting, then
Oh, so
find,
we're if when we limit the domain, it will be a function.
yes, it will be a function because its f
Okay.
inverse is equal to, right, the f inverse when limited domain is limited. 2, 1. Okay, see here. 3,
2,
2.
1, 3, 2,
Tell me
4,
next.
3,
4,
4,
3,
3, 1, 4.
1, 4. See here. This is function or not function?
Now it's function.
This is function. F inverse is function. Now it is
Yeah, I
function.
said function.
It is function because the first element of order pair are not repeated. Okay?
Yeah, there are no consecutive x integers that are repeated.
It is function. We move to next. You should understand that for moving to 14 and CQs, if you have given 2 points, okay, 2 and 3, and other point is B is 4 and 5, okay, then can you find the equation of a line?
Yeah.
Can you
Straight
write the
line
formula? Can you write the formula when x1, y1?
for the straight line. It will
Yes,
be
straight line. V
y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1.
is equal to
No.
this is something wrong. Okay, wait. Write the correct. It is not equal. It is not the full equation. Okay, y minus y1 upon 2 y2 minus y1. Okay, and x minus x1. Your formula something was correct, but not complete. Okay, you have not written the complete formula. If you want to change its form according to your formula, then it will be this form. This is also good. This is also good. X minus x1. But I say, if you want to write this, I think you are writing this, okay? But not writing this form. Clear?
Okay.
Put this value above value in any equation. You should use we will use this equation in our next question, okay? You should use the points and find the value of line. Find the equation.
Okay. So why why
You should erase it, okay?
so y minus 3 over 5 minus 3 equals to where's x 2, wait, not 2, um, equals to x minus 2 over 4 minus 2. So it's going to be equal to y minus 3 over 2, x minus 2 over 2. So we can do cross multiplication. And then it will be 2x minus 4 equals to 2y minus 6. And then it's going to be 2x minus 4, 2y minus 6.
Then make the simplified form, okay? Make the simplified form. Okay, it is good, but make the simplified form, okay? This is why. This is why, okay? Where you are moving, you should move the what what are you doing? You are moving this here.
No,
And
no.
all
What do I do now?
okay, do it, do it, do it. Do your work. I want to see your work, okay? You do it. 2x minus 2y, okay, good. Minus 6 and plus 4, okay, good. Minus 2y.
So now I can take common, no?
Yes, you can take the 2 common and you can do it. X minus y is equal to minus 1, okay, after dividing, okay? After dividing
Yeah.
on. So this formula will be used, okay? And you know the reflection of a line about this concept. If I write 2 points, this is reflection. We have given the graph and we have given the if we have given the values. For example, I say 2. This is 5. Okay, this is x y, reflection about x y. And tell me this point, can you write in xy form? This point, this is A point, this is B point. What will be the coordinates of A point? What will be the coordinates of B point? Tell me.
So of the A point, it's gonna be wait, but how I'm gonna say? It's gonna be 5 and 2.
No, no, for A point, this A is here. A is here. Here A is x-intercept. In x-intercept is 2. And for x-intercept, y will be 0. You write 2 comma 0.
Oh, okay. 2, 0, and that one will be 0, 5.
Okay. In next day we study okay. In next day we have studied the in reflection about y is equal to x. Then we change x by y and y to x. Okay.
Okay.
Can you do it? A prime will be. Can you write the points after reflection about y is equal to x? What will
Yeah,
be?
it will be 0, 2, and 5, 0.
This is -2. This is -2. We are making mistake. Okay.
Oh yeah, -2, -2. But
This
I
is
think we've taken it just yesterday,
okay. Yes, do.
reflection.
Let's make the graph of inverse. This is the graph of function. Make the
Yes,
graph of
so
inverse. I say make the graph of function inverse. Graph of f here in this line. Okay, good. -2.
somewhere like that.
5 is here. Okay. This is the graph of f inverse. This is the graph of f inverse.
F
Clear?
inverse. Yeah.
Graph of. Okay, I write one question, then you should try to solve. Okay, this is same question
Yes.
but different. Each of the following. Could be represent equation of the inverse of the graph equation, and you can also show the graph of inverse function of the graph in the figure. Okay, we need equation, we don't need the graph. Okay, you just make the coordinates, okay, corresponding 2 points, and then use the 2-point formula. Okay, clear?
Yes.
uh, this is the graph of y is equal to f of x. Graph is cutting here. Okay, and here is -1. Okay, it is the mid of the point. What will be the midpoint? You tell me. What will be this point? Mid of -1 and 0. This is 0. Okay, midpoint of 1 and 0 and -1. What will be answer?
Half.
And what will be the x-intercept? Can you write the x-intercept here?
Wait, I don't understand.
This is midpoint of 0 and -1. 0 and
Okay.
-1. What is the midpoint? Midpoint will be 0 -0.5 or 1 by 2. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
You use this without point. Okay, I say in question it is not given, but you can see it is passing through midpoint. Okay, midpoint means if we have given 2 and 3, their midpoint will be 2.5. Okay, you know the midpoint, you add them and divide them
I
on
know.
2. Okay, write the equation, then you should first find 2 point. Okay, first find 2 point, and then find out 2 points for reflection after for inverse, then solve it. These are graph. Okay, Okay, write 2 points. I give them name A, B, and write their points. Okay, and after write the points of reflection. Okay, points of inverse after reflection. Okay, you are not understanding. This is 1 and this is 0.5. Make 2 points. Okay,
Okay.
make 2 points and make corresponding to other points for f inverse function. Okay,
I would say it's D. No.
and your option D is E is correct. You should solve it. Okay, you have not solved.
No. But
Okay, you solve it. You make the points. You make the points. Okay,
so point A is
A it is B. Okay,
negative 0.5 and 0.
okay, you should
Point
write.
B is
Okay, you should
0,
write one
1.
form. It is good. Okay, do it. Do it. It is
And
also
if the reflection is over y equals to x, it's gonna be 0.5,
okay. Good.
and B will be 1, 0.
Use these points in 2 point formula. Okay, what was the formula for 2 point?
Oh, now I understand. Okay, so the 2 point formula was, I think it's x minus x1, y minus y1, x2 minus x1, and y2 minus y1.
Yes, yes. Good, good. Do it.
Oh, it's not correct. Wait.
Formula is wait.
Oh, no, it's not correct.
Correct. It is correct. We can write. Okay, you have written in fast. It is good. Okay, if we reciprocal, then our formula form will be equal like our form. It is also good form. Okay, x minus x1, x2 minus x1. If you write here y minus y1, then there will be y2 minus y1. Okay, put values.
So it's also correct to write it like this?
It is also correct because if we see here, come on page number 2. If we do the
Okay.
reciprocal on both sides, then this form will be as. Okay, we can do the reciprocal on both sides. It is also good. Okay, this y2 minus y1. This is also good. Okay,
Okay.
this formula also correct. You can remember one form. Okay, put it.
So it's gonna be wait, 0. Wait, not 0.
You can
X
put x.
minus 0 over y.
Okay, good.
Y minus 1
Yes, yes.
equals to x2 is 1 minus 0 over
You are putting.
y2 is
You put these values. Okay.
0. Yeah.
Mm.
Which values? Oh,
These, okay, you use these
yeah,
values.
the prime.
X minus x1 0. Okay, and you should give them name. You should write them in a line. Okay, it will be good for you. 0 and minus 0.5, and B write them in line form. Okay, in this way you can select one y1 and y2. Okay,
Okay.
you can select. You can put B prime first to the A prime. Okay, it is not problem. X minus x1 will be 0. Okay, good. Divided by
Y minus y1 is, so it's gonna be negative 0.5.
you should put directly positive. You should put directly positive. Negative.
Yeah, okay. Positive. So x2 is 1 minus 0,
Yes, good.
and y2 is 0 minus y1, which is positive 0.5.
Okay.
So then it's gonna be 1 over 0.5 equals to x minus 0,
X minus 0,
y
next
plus
you find
0.5.
x minus 0 is only x, okay? We cannot
Yeah.
subtract 0. 0 means we will not subtract anything, okay? And do it.
So it will be 1 over 2x equals to y plus 0.5. So
What
then
will
we're gonna take it. So we're gonna take it to the other side. It'll be 1, 2x minus y equals to 0.5. Correct?
yes, good, but form, make the form. Y will be here. Y will be here, only here. In one side there will be y. On one side there will be y, okay?
Okay.
You should make the correct form, and it is also correct, but according to question we will make the form, okay?
Okay. So minus 0.5 equals to y, like that, yeah?
Good. Then 0.5 is equal to y is equal to 1 by 2x. And what is the equivalence of 0.5 will be 1
1
by
over 2.
1 over 2. Okay. Here I have written, this is the 1 by 2. I have written y, it is 1 by 2. Okay.
Mhm.
This option is correct. Clear? Our D
Yeah.
option is correct. Okay. Next day we will
Okay.
4. Okay. And okay. Take care
Okay,
and bye.
thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Take care and bye.